Why are my lips so ashy? This is just so sad. Thanks for visiting my channel of all channels. Like today I'm going to show y'all how to do a DIY facial. I'm going to link all the products that I use in the description box below. I have a photo shoot at 2 and it's 12. Talk about last minute. Let's get into it. This is the Retinol Anti-Aging Skincare Peel Off Mask. It smells really, really good. It unclogs pores, something beautiful.
I'm going to put a generous amount of this product onto my nose because that's where all my whiteheads and blackheads are, and they need to come out because I cannot go to this photo shoot looking like Rudolph the White-Nosed Reindeer.
So what they want to talk about, and I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out. How it always falls through.
That I kind of look like a koala bear thingy. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 10 minutes. I'm gonna have to go soon, so I'm gonna use a blow dryer just to speed it up. I'm gonna do that off camera though. Alrighty, then I'm back and my face feels like I just got Botox, even though I never got Botox before. Y'all get the picture. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel this thing off.
When I thought I broke away and I'm feeling happy, you try to trap me, say you're pregnant and guess who's the daddy? Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case what could I do? So now I'm back to make it.
I'm going to use this Lavender African black soap. Before I do that, I'm going to buff my lips to get all the dead skin off. I'm going to lather this soap onto my face.
In my head I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying
Alright y'all, so now I rinsed my face off. And now what it's really time to do is just exfoliate. Not exfoliate. So shea butter is your friend. Remember! So I just put a little bit on my face. I don't put too much because, you know, I don't want my face to be like greasy. But shea butter really does the trick to just like give your face that shine that it needs. Now for the gold. Me booty. It's really just called the Sparkle 24K Collagen, 24K Gold Collagen, excuse me, collagen infused anti-aging serum. And this stuff is magical. Just gonna put some of this on my face. And you only just need a little bit. So I'm just gonna put some of this By Nature brightening night cream. It's night cream, but I just put it under my eyes. Rub this under my eyes, and you only need a little bit because you see how much it spreads out. It's a By Nature brightening cream with vitamin C and turmeric. It smells so good. It smells yummy. Makes me kind of want to eat it, but then I would get sick and have to go to the hospital, so I'd rather not.
So this is the finished product. This only took 25 minutes altogether, and I look like a glazed croissant.
I got a photo shoot to be at in like an hour. That was it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be back next week for some more juicy stuff about like fitness or health or wellness. I'm gonna do a room makeover soon because I'm tired of my room, y'all. It needs to be done over. But love y'all and see you next time.